But I don't have anything to put the camera on because I just got home. Came straight out of the car. It's one of our red tails. It's the quail in the background. I know these trees so well. The minute I drove up, I knew there was something in it because that tree doesn't look like that normally. I saw it immediately. There's Victor Swallow. Being so nice. Not afraid. Not gonna fly away. It's good. I don't think I can get any closer. Believe it or not, I'm sitting here. It's January the 14th. It's getting up to 75 degrees today. It feels like it. It feels like it's around 73 right now. That's usually my limit. But I gotta go in. I don't want to get sunburned. But she's so beautiful. Or he. I think it's the she though. So beautiful. I don't even have my good camera. This is an old camera. There's a contrail, a jet flying way above her. I wonder what she thinks about those jets. Not as pretty as she is, of course. Can't fly as good as she can either. How many jets could swoop down and catch a mouse? None.